Hello YouTube, and today I have an unboxing of Battlefield 3. I've been waiting for this game for ages. So, Battlefield 3 Limited Edition Physical Warfare Pack. There's the things you get rid of there. Don't know if you can see it because I ain't got a lot at the moment, but it's a great game. Sorry about the reflection, but it's a great game. I love it. Brilliant game, right? So yeah. And I've already took the wrapping off. And that's the side, but I've a limited edition. I've already played this. I took the wrapping off. I've already played it. So inside, you get 3 pieces of paper. The online pass. Or the back to car kind of thing. The guns what you get, and passcode. That's that, and you get the EA Sports Gun Club. So if you go on EA Sports, go and log into that thing, you get this gun, this pistol. I just thought about Mass Effect 3. Let's have a look. It says here. It says, you'll be granted early access to the multiplayer portion of the Mass Effect 3 demo. Watch for news updates for every early access demo or date announcement in 20, or sign up to www.masseffect.com to receive notifications and extra bonus. You can immediately access Mass Effect 3 and 7 dog tags in multiplayer free multiplayer matches. I might have to try it that in a minute. So if you if you go on to Mass Effect, you've got early access to Mass Effect 3 demo here. And if you go to www.masseffect.com, you can get some dog tags for your game when you play on it. You can have them as your dog tags. And that's the gun club there. And as in America, it's 2 pages in it or 3 pages. That's the manual for UK. There's no pages. That's the manual. Just there. Bit peed off about that, but I know how to play Battlefield the rest, I'm not really arsed, but oh well. So yeah. The other thing this game has is it has 2 discs. I've already played it, remember, so I've played these. So the first one is multiplayer co-op in HD content that makes the game look wicked. So brilliant that. Second one is single player campaign. Single player, really good. So yeah, that was Battlefield film box, and like I said, the graphics are really good in this game. The graphics are unbelievable. If you download the HD content, when you go on, if you download the HD content, the game looks amazing, proper amazing. I really enjoy playing this game. If you want to have me on Xbox Live, if you want to play some Battlefield 3, with me, I will put my gamer tag below, and if you want to have me, or if you want to give me a gamer tag, send me a comment, and I'll play some Battlefield 3 with you. Amazing game. If you haven't got it yet, buy it. Peace YouTube.